Guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing another video tour. I have a new listing here in Hillsborough, Pointe. So Hillsborough is a subdivision that is right in front of Xavier. Xavier is a subdivision by Pueblo de Oro located right in front of the Xavier Sports Complex. So if you have a kid, if you have kids that's still going to school, then it would be very convenient to live in the subdivision because they can just literally walk to school, because Xavier Grade School and High School is very near Hillsborough Pointe, and it's also within Pueblo de Oro Business Park. So if you want to buy something at SM Mall, or if you want to buy food at one of the food parks here in the area, then you can just easily walk to these establishments. So it's very convenient, and they also have their amenities area. They have a clubhouse which is just over there, so it's very near this property. They also have a pool, playground, and other amenities, 24/7 security as well. So okay, let's get on to this listing. So this house sits on 150 square meter lot, and the floor area is about 180 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms and it has 4 toilet and baths. Okay, so let's go. Let's check out this listing. So this is the house over here. It's a 2-story single firewall property. So there's a 1-car garage over here. There's even space for like a motorcycle if you have one. Okay, welcome to the house. So this is the living area over here and the dining area. And there's a wall dividing the dining area and the kitchen. So the kitchen is quite spacious for the house. They even have a little nook over here. So if you want to have like maybe breakfast or a quick meal, then you can use this area instead of like the formal dining area. And they have a toilet. They have a powder room right next to the kitchen. So the kitchen already comes with underhead and overhead cabinets, but if you want more, then you can always add more. There's still a lot of space to add like the cabinets. You can even add another counter over here and some overhead cabinets over here. fully utilize the space underneath the stairs. So if you open this area, so you can like place your maybe decor or other stuff you don't really use. There are also some drawers underneath the staircase. You can put books and other knickknacks over there. So another great thing about this property is that all the doors in this house, well, except for one door upstairs, are made of mahogany. So that's hardwood, anti-anay, and also the stairs. The staircase is made of mahogany, and also the cabinets here in the kitchen. So these ones are also made up of hardwood. So there is a master bedroom here on the first floor. There's a king-size bed over there, and there's a walk-in closet over there. So it's full of boxes at the moment, but it's a good-sized bedroom. So it's very ideal for buyers who maybe have parents or already senior citizens living with them, or for buyers who don't want to go up and down the stairs. And you can use this bedroom in the first floor as the master bedroom. Then they have a family room here on the second floor and a common toilet and bath over here. Ang galing. No, kayo, sir. Nalaki mo rin stairs?
Yung window na ano?
Kaya na ganyan. Playroom?
Yeah.
So we're here in the walk-in closet. There's actually another bedroom on the second floor, which can also be utilized as the master bedroom. So it depends on you if you want to live up here in the second floor, or if you want to use the master bedroom on the first floor. So there's a toilet and bath over here. And then there's a play area over here. So for those who have small kids, then this would be an ideal space for them to play around in. So, binili mo lahat. So this is the balcony. So as you can see, it's a very safe, quiet neighborhood. So you can see another subdivision, the other subdivision over there. So that's Film Life Village. also a subdivision by property owner. Then there's another storage room over here. And then 3 other bedrooms on the second floor. So this house has quite a number of bedrooms. So also comes with cabinets. Then there are 2 other bedrooms, so there's 1 bedroom over here and this other bedroom, maybe you can use it as a maid's quarters or you can use it as a storage area. This one is the smaller room. And that ends our virtual tour for today. So if you like this property, then let me know in the comment section down below. We can schedule a viewing. And please don't forget to click and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.